Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how you can add music or audio on your Canva. I can show you two ways on how you can do that. So first is click on apps from your left panel. Scroll down a little bit and look for audio. Once you click on that, there will be a wide range of categories and available music or audio that you can choose from. Most of them are premium, but you also have some free stuff. To preview, just click on the play icon. And if you want to use it, you can click on it, drag and drop to the specific scene, or double click. Now, the second way would be uploading your own music or audio from your device. So from here on your left panel, click on Uploads, and then click on audio. Other than uploading directly from your device, you can also do it from these various platforms: Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, and even from Instagram and so on. Now for me, I'll be uploading from my device, so I'll go ahead and click Upload File, and I'll look for the music that I wanted to add and just click Open. Give it a few seconds to upload completely. Once that's done, the same thing, you can preview by clicking the play button. And when you're good with that, click on it to add, double click, or drag and drop. And that's it. Quick and easy way to add music or audio to your Canva. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.